How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 1972 Chevelle. It's a SS 350 clone, done in a really slick Tuxedo Black bucket seat interior. So all the grill, headlight bezels are all in excellent condition. The front bumper is the original. It's got a little bit of patina to it, but see how flat and slick this car is down the sides? Super flat. It's got the factory SS wheel, done in a graphite gray. Got a new rear bumper on it. Looks like an original SS emblem on there. You can see how flat this thing is on the sides. For black, that's really tough. Good, solid car. Got a nice mild built 350 in it. Aluminum intake and Holly on it. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. It's a 350 turbo trans in it, 12 bolt posi rear, 331 gear, rear sway bar. So all the jams look real nice, clean. Interior's all real good condition. Headliner's real nice in the car. Factory buckets and console. Got the old wide oval spare in it. It's a good looking car in black. So the headliner looks real tight, nice. It's got AM FM cassette retrofit direct fit radio and trio gauges there under the dash. And it's got a nice little running 350 in it. Tell you, it's a real good sound. Tell you, this car drives and rides excellent down the road. It's a good looking car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Also follow us on Facebook. A little busy today. Have a great day, folks.